Tired of the same boring mind map shapes in Draw.io? Learn 2 quick methods to add any shape you need and make your diagrams stand out. First, I will show you how to browse and drag shapes from the sidebar. Then, a faster duplication trick to copy existing nodes. All right, let us get started. We are going to open your Jira account. This is where you will find the project that has the diagram you want to work on. So just log in and head over to your project dashboard. Now, open up your Confluence page, or that specific Jira issue that contains your Draw.io diagram. You want to get right to the page where the drawing is sitting. This is the canvas we are going to play with. So now, we are looking at the Draw.io editor. On the left sidebar, you will see a whole library of shapes. This is the key to getting past those basic default shapes. Scroll up and down to browse the available categories. You might be surprised at what is hiding in here. All right, expand a category. You can click on things like General, Flowchart, Basic, or even Mind Map if it is listed. Each one opens up to reveal a treasure trove of different shapes. This is where you really start to see the power of Draw.io. It is not just about circles and rectangles anymore. Now, find a shape you like and simply drag it onto the canvas. Just click and hold the shape and pull it right into your mind map area. Position it wherever you want, maybe near a parent idea or somewhere you need to add a new branch. To add your text, just double-click the shape you just dropped. A text box pops up instantly. Type in your idea, your task, or whatever that node should say. It is that straightforward. You have just added a completely new kind of shape to your mind map. Now, here is the second method, and this one is a real time saver. Duplicate an existing mind map node. This is perfect when you have already customized a shape with colors or styling and you want to reuse it without setting it all up again. Click the node you want to copy. Just a single click to select it. Then press Ctrl+D on Windows or Linux, or Command+D on a Mac. This duplicates the node instantly. You will see a perfect copy pop up right on top of the original. Now, drag that duplicate to a new position. Place it exactly where you need it in your diagram. It already has all the same styling, so it fits right in. Finally, if your mind map needs it, connect the duplicate to the appropriate parent node. Just draw a connector line from the parent to this new copy. That is it. You have just expanded your mind map efficiently without starting from scratch. And that is all there is to it. Now you can break free from those boring default shapes and build mind maps that actually look the way you want them to. Thanks for watching.